Welcome to Grammar with Lily. The last few videos have talked about the simple past tense. How do I take the base verb, verb 1, and make the past tense, verb 2? Yes, add ed. This is the rule for all regular English verbs. But English has many irregular past tense verbs. Let's look at some of the ones we use a lot. We talked about irregular present tense verbs before. I told you that have, do, and say are all irregular present tense verbs. Has, does, says. They're also irregular in the past. Verb 1, have, do, say. Verb 2, had, did, said. How do these verbs change for the past tense? Well, have changes its ending sound. Have changes to had. Why do you think it changes to a D sound? D. Yes, because the simple past is usually made by adding ed. D. Have is irregular, but it still gets a D sound. Had. This is also true for other verbs like make, made. The last consonant of the verb changes to a D. Other verbs change a little more. Do and say change their vowel sound and they get a D sound. Do, did, say, said. Also, can, could, sell, sold. The vowel sound changes and we get a D sound. Other times we get a T sound. Buy, bought. Feel, felt. Leave, left. Other verbs change a vowel sound without getting a D or T sound. Give, gave. Come, came. Sit, sat. Or shake, shook. And some verbs have no change for the past. Verb 1 and verb 2 are the same. Today I cut, yesterday I cut. Today I hurt, yesterday I hurt. Finally, there are two very special irregular past verbs. One of them, of course, is be. Am, is, are, was, were. They all sound different. Do you remember why? Yes, because in history, they were separate verbs and over time they became one verb. The same is true with our verb go. Do you know the simple past for go? Yes, went. Again, they come from two different verbs, but today they are one verb. Verb 1, go. Verb 2, went. As I've said, there are many irregular verbs in English for the past tense. When you learn a new verb, look up verb 2 or simple past. If it is irregular, make sure you study it as you're learning the new verb. Then you will be able to use the verb correctly anytime.